Are you interested in running all Locarno teams and then all ORA teams and then find a finalist of each, and then it'll be a final club to club against club?
Leg was like not even a couple minutes long. So the races are very, very short. All in total, they're like less than 20 minutes probably, right? So you're getting a lot of races in. Yeah, that's the inspiration for what we're trying to do now. That was fantastic because it meant that you could just pack your sailing gear, jump on a plane, and show up and race. More of a reaction-based sailor than a prepped sailor. Okay.
I've been sailing for like 2 or 3 years, mostly monohull, Melges 24, lasers, and other boats. Yeah, but since I jumped on catamarans, I can go back to monohull. It's so exciting.